Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I am going to show you on how to play offline and online FIFA 23 with friends. So the first thing is just to tap on the play modes. Okay, this one here. And then tap on quick play modes and the kickoff, where we can play offline with our friends. So basically, we can have two controllers or a keyboard and a controller set. So we can play versus our friend. Then in real life, for example, I have both my controller connected and my keyboard. So I go to the left with my controller and I will tap on ready, and then I'll go to the right with my keyboard, which you can see I did. And then we can see the different types of matches. So we can choose the match that we want to play. For example, this one. Okay, so this one as well, or this. So it's up to you what kind of match you want to play with your friend. Okay, so you can choose from the options. So now we're going to leave this offline session, and now we are going to the online friend list. And here we can start a new friendly season versus our friend. So we'll just have to tap on this one here and then tap on OK or press A to your controller. Okay, so that's it. That's how you can play offline and online FIFA 23 with friends. So don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.